Hello dear friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel MTech and one of my videos. So in this video I'm gonna show you how can you prank your friends. So before starting, please do not forget to support my channel, and if you want to learn more, please subscribe it and press the bell icon. So let's launch control panel and come to ease of access center here, and after that come to make keyboard easier to use and press turn on filter keys and apply it. So before applying, I want to show you that I will write something here. I will write something here. So friends, now I'm gonna apply and okay. So now I'm try to type something, but nothing is happening. Okay, so again, if I come to control panel and ease of access center, make keyboard easier to use, and I unmark the turn on filter keys, apply it and okay, and come once again to Microsoft Word, and again it's typing, it's working. Okay, so that was it was very easy. I hope you enjoy it. So you can prank your friend anytime that you can say your keyboard is not working, and you can fix for them. So till next video, I see you till next video. Goodbye friends.